Hi everyone, this is the demo of LoanShield, the Maestro case management. There is an auto loan payment that went incorrect. Can you please verify, and I'd like to dispute this charge. And Maria, poor customer support agent, she is stuck to pass the information with multiple team members. And this is the old way of manually doing it. But now comes the Maestro case. It orchestrates one case that has been raised by a customer, and it follows the sequential and trigger based stages in the entire process to dispute this charge, and involves humans wherever that is needed, and uses the parallel AI investigations using the AI agents, and notifies the customer and uploads the information to Google Sheets, and also sends an email, and finally updates back to the LoanShield web portal that you're going to see. So it gives a great faster resolution, which used to take weeks to process one dispute of this type. The high level architecture of LoanShield is the user will start opening a Next.js based application which I hosted on Vercel. It consists of all the types of disputes that one can raise, and this is just purely for demo purpose I have created. And I have connected a Neon database in the background just to save the information of all the disputes. But here comes the magic. Every time a dispute has been created, it makes a webhook call to UiPath using the UiPath integration service and starts triggering the UiPath Maestro case, which is staged case orchestration. It involves AI agents, human in the loop through Action Center, and case completion reports. And everything will also be notified through Gmail as well as Google Sheets. Records will be stored. Who operates these dispute cases of loans of any sort can use, and they can create new disputes which will trigger the UiPath case and start the process of dispute. So this is a nice form that you can fill in your information, and you can put your customer name, the dispute type, and the event type, and everything, and what is the process of loan type and loan information and everything. So I'd like to update the information of loan to some $548 of my car auto payment, and I will keep the priority as normal. These are all the supporting files that I have creating the API workflows and the AI agents using Agent Builder. To click on LoanShield Maestro case, and you can click on Explore Maestro case. It will take you to this dashboard, and let's see whether it triggers automatically or not based on this button click. If I click this, that I'm going to create a dispute, the process gets started, and let me refresh the screen and show you that case also got triggered. Yes, the case just got triggered, and let's see how it is performing at each stage. I'd just like to minimize this and go deep into each of the scenarios. So first, the demo intake is happening. The webhook has started, and it runs the intake classification agent, and every time an event happens, it posts back to the clear information into this web portal of LoanShield. Let me refresh this. Let's see here. Perfect. See, it has been crossing all the stages, and now it is loading the context for retrieval, and these are all sequential tasks. For the demo, I have wanted to choose the sequential tasks because of the time crunch that we have on the submission. It entirely takes around 11 minutes to process, and all the stages can be viewed like this. And every record of case management, you can double click into this and expand what is happening in the entire workflow. And not only that, every time there happens a event, you'll also receive the emails that I have recorded here, so that what is the loan type and how much is the amount. So it is matching the amount that we have captured here. Actually, instead of the Next.js application, I can also use UiPath coded apps, but I would like to give more flexibility that anyone can view this. So I went ahead with my web application development skills. So just wanted to try something out. Here, this is a parallel loop. I should have used the parallel loop in the same case, but this is both parallelly happening, these two stages. That means the evidence collection as well as the fraud investigation. And once all the information is collected, it will also trigger the Action Center. So let me refresh this. Yeah. So the task has been assigned. So let me go to the Action Center, refresh this. Yep. So the task has been assigned. The fraud investigation is saying the missing information and all these things. I'll like to go ahead and proceed further and see what happens in our case side. As I just approved to proceed further, it has triggered. I know this is a very long running Maestro case process, but see the power of Maestro case. Like, you can build the entire project in one view, and you can trigger it from the external applications using webhooks, and you can implement AI agent. This is the entire dashboard of the web app that I built. So this is the entire story of the LoanShield application that I wanted to submit for UiPath Agent Hack. Thank you.